Now, very good morning to all of you. Today we will see the second topic, that will be place value, and we will see certain concept before the starting a topic. So one digit number, that is the smallest one digit number, is 1 and the greatest one digit number is 9. Whenever you are adding 1 into the greatest single digit number, you will get double digit number or two digit number, that is 10, and the greatest two digit number is 999. Whenever you are adding 1 into the 99, you will get three digit smallest number, that is 100, and the greatest three digit number is 99. Whenever you are adding 1 into the same, you will get 1000. Okay? Then the greatest four digit number is 9999, and whenever you are adding 1 into the same, you will get a 10,000, that is 5 digit number, and it will goes ahead and so on. Okay? Then we will see certain numbers. So how to read them? Single digit number, that we are reading it a 1. Okay? Then greatest one digit number 9, then smallest two digit number 10, then greatest two digit number 99, then smallest three digit number 100, then greatest three digit number 999, then greatest four digit number, that is 1000, smallest four digit number 1000, and greatest four digit number 9999, and so on. It will goes ahead. Okay? Then we will see the next slide. Now with the help of Indian place value system, suppose we have the number that is 89,324. Now how to write its standard form? You have to write the number as it is. So how has to write 8, 9, then 3, 2, 4, and from right to the left I has to put the commas as per Indian place value system, and expanded form also has to write as it is. So I wrote here, that is its place is at the 1000 place, but that is 10,000 place, so that's why I wrote here 80,000, then plus 9,000, then plus 300, then plus 20, then plus 4. Okay? And its word form will be 89,324. So as we are reading it, that will be its word form. Okay? Then the next slide, which will see that, see here, this is the number, that is 74,538. So we wrote as it is, that is the standard form, and we put the commas as per Indian place value system, and we wrote its expanded form also as well as its word form also. And word form is written as, or it is said as, number name also and word form also. Okay? So keep it in mind. Then in the next slide we will see there, see the standard form of this number as well as expanded form and the word form also. Okay? I hope you understood this, how to write it. Then this is the one of the example, that is 23,78,610, and the standard form is given. You have to write the expanded form of it, and you can comment in a comment box. Okay? Then in the next slide we will see there exercise 2.1. we will go ahead here for the same topic, that is chapter 2nd, place value. Now see here, question first is ki mark the period using a commas and write the numbers in words. Now so how the example is written here? See, first example is, that is 95,790. So I will write that example as it is, that is 95790. I wrote it as it is, but as per Indian place value system, we have to count three digits from the right to the left, and here I have to put the commas. So I put the commas as it is here for the same number, and in word I wrote here how you are reading it, that is 95,790. So I wrote as it is 95,790 as it is. So the one of the example is given under that, you can understood that very well. And the third example is not written here. It is not given its word form, or it is not written in a words. So you have to write that under the same. Okay? Then we'll go ahead for the question second. What is that? Write in a figures. In a figures, in the sense you have to write the same number in a digit. In a figures, in the sense you have to write the numbers as it is. So I have to write, that is 95, then 790. I wrote the number as it is. See, this is the number here, 95790. So as per Indian system, from right to the left I have to just put the commas before three digit. So I put here commas. Okay? Then same number is there, 81,576. So it is given under the same, and but it is given in a words and you have to write it in a figure, that is most important. In the figure in the sense, you have to write it in a digit, and you have to put the commas as per Indian place value system. The same second number is 81,576 is given in a figure. I wrote it already, but the third number is 10,010. You have to write under the same. Okay, we will go ahead for the next slide. Now next question is write in a words. In a words in the sense, in a word form you have to write. Now what number is there? See how number is given here, that is 95790, or you can write that is 95790. We wrote it. You have to put their comma as per Indian system, so I put the commas before 3 digit from right to the left, and inwards I wrote that is 95,790. So inwards I wrote that. Inwards, then in the sense you have to write it in a word form. Then second number is given as the same, that is 81,576. So it is given here and we wrote it in a words. Now the third number I will write here, that will be 20. Sorry. Okay. Third number will be, just I will write here. Okay. Now this will be as the same. See, here will be 2, then 5, then 6, then 8, then 1. So how to write this number? Using Indian place value system, and how to write it in words. You have to write under that. There will be a third example. You have to write here. Okay. I hope you understood that. Okay. We will go ahead for the next slide. Now here is the question 5th. What is that? Give the standard numeral for each of the following. Standard numeral in the sense you have to write its standard form. ठीक है. Just I removed it. Standard form के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Standard form और standard numeral दोनों का meaning एक ही है. तो first what I did, I wrote here 5. So I wrote here 5 as it is. Then here is a 70. So I wrote 70 in a tens place. Then 600. So I started from right to the left, and there is a 8000. So I wrote here 8000 as it is. ठीक है. Now अभी क्या है कि you have to write what are the digits in a ones place, that just add them. So here is only 5. So I will write here 5. Then here is only 7. So I will write here 7. Then here is only 6. So I will write here 6. ठीक है. And here is only 8. So I will write here 8. ठीक है. So this is your answer, that is 8675, and that this is called as standard numeral, that is 8675. So you have to put the commas as per Indian system. From right to the left you have to put their commas. ठीक है. So this is known as standard numeral, and this is one of the example is given. You have to write its standard numeral. ठीक है. Hope so you understood that and you will write it. You can comment your answer in a comment box. ठीक है. The next one is there again. What is that next one? Next one is, that is give the standard numeral for each of the following. Now this is the third example. यहाँ पर क्या है कि just you can write the number as it is also, no problem. Just I will delete here number. ठीक है. So how to write I will show you. 6 10,000, or you have to go from right to the left. The first you have to write in a 5 ones, then 6 10. So I write in a tens place. Then 6 10,000. So here is a 6 10,000. I wrote here 6, and remaining digit you have to put their zeros. ठीक है. So you have to write that the number. ठीक है. So I will write the number as it is, that is 60065, and as per Indian system 1 2 3 digit from right to the left, and you have to put the commas. So this is your standard numeral, and the second number is given here, that you have to write in a chart or in a place value system. ठीक है. Hope so you understood that. And there is again one more example or one more question, that will be you have to write the place value of the following. Now place value of the following, how to write? Just I will remove that, and this is the number is given, that is 581014, that is 58,014. This is given. Now how to write it? Just you wrote it. In a ones column you have to write 4, then in a tens column 1, then in a 100 column 0, then there is a 8 in a 1000 column, and there is a 5 in a 10,000 column. So you have to write its place value. Now see there, here is a 4, so I have to write here 4. Then here is a 1, I have to write here 1. But after 1 to the right side there is a one more digit, so I have to add here 0. ठीक है. Then the third digit, that is 0, so I have to write here 0. But after that there are 2 digits, to its right, so I has to add 2 zeros. ठीक है, then here is 8, so I has to write 8 as it is. ठीक है, then after 8 to the right side there are 3 digits, so you has to add here 3 zeros. ठीक है, then here is a 5, so I has to write here 5, I wrote here 5. Then after 5 to the right side there are 4 digits, so I has to add here 1 2 3 4 zeros, and you has to put the commas as per Indian system. Here also you have to put the comma as per Indian system, and the place value of 4 is only 4, place value of 1 is a 10, then place value of 0 is, actually it is 100 place, but 0 is there, so that's why it does not have a value, so that's why we wrote as it is 0 0 0. Okay, and the place value of 8 is 8000 and place value of 5 is 50,000. Hope so you understood that how to write the place value. I will add one more example here, and that you have to write in the same chart, and that will be 96,418. ठीक है, so you have to write its place value as a same chart, and or you can write in a comment box. ठीक है, and the last thing, that is but most thing very important, that is this is our YouTube channel. You have to search it on a YouTube with the same name. ठीक है, and you will get all the videos, and that is if you like the video, so like it and subscribe the channel to get the regular update. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.